So one of the things that you can do inside of Microsoft Planner is delete out and move out buckets as you need as well. So over here, I got initial draft version 1, version 2, and so forth. And let's say I want to move the entire bucket. In that case, I can simply go ahead onto the title and click and drag it and move the bucket right like this as well. So let's say, for example, I want the version 2 in the beginning. It doesn't make sense, so let's just go ahead and then drag it out right here after version 1. Apart from that, you can also click on the 3-dot button right here and move it to the right just like this. Or you can click right here, move it to the left or right. So you can move it to the left or right here just like this. So apart from that, if you don't want any bucket, let's say for example, I don't want the version 2 bucket at all, then I can simply click on the 3-dot button right here and click on delete right here. And then click on delete, and then the bucket will be removed out just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out and move bucket as needed inside of Microsoft Planner. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.